Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your ice maker. Alright, so here's the ice maker. It's located in the freezer. And to start replacing this, the first step that we're going to do is turn off the power. Alright, once the power is off, you can go ahead and remove that screw right there. And then you can loosen that one and that one. Alright, after you loosen the top screws, you can just go ahead and remove this cover. You might have to pry it from a corner. And then we can go ahead and lift the ice maker since it's loose. And you see this little tab right here? You can push that out to remove the wire harness. Alright, so grab your new ice maker and do the same thing. Take the front cover off. Locate where the wire harness is connected. And go ahead and connect it. And follow the steps in reverse to put it back up. So after you plug in the wire harness, you can go ahead and set the ice maker on the top screws and tighten. Once you tighten the top two screws and your ice maker is set in place, you can go ahead and place the cover on it and the bottom screw. After tightening the screw, you're all set. You have just replaced your ice maker.